If you want to master modal verbs in English quickly and easily, this video is for you. Simple explanations, clear structure, and real-life examples. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pro English Lab. In this video, you'll learn the most important modal verbs in English step by step in a simple and practical way. Now, let's look at each one with examples.
Can. We use can to talk about ability and possibility. For example, I can speak English. We can help you. You can go now. You can sit here. Can I get a coffee? Could. We use could to talk about past ability or to make polite requests. For example, could you help me? Could you open the door? They could come with us. It could be busy today. I could not find my phone. May. We use may to ask for permission or talk about possibility. For example, may I come in? She may know. It may rain today. May I ask a question? They may arrive soon. Might. We use might to talk about a small possibility. For example, he might be happy. She might be at home. I might call you later. They might come late. It might work. Must. We use must to talk about strong obligation or certainty. For example, you must wear a seatbelt. She must be at work. We must go now. They must stop here. You must study every day. Should. We use should to give advice or suggestions. For example, you should rest. We should try again. You should drink water. We should leave now. I should go to bed early. Will. We use will to talk about the future. For example, I will call you later. You will succeed. I will help you. It will be hot today. I will see you tomorrow. Would. We use would for polite requests and imagined situations. For example, would you like coffee? I would love to go. Would you help me? We would go to the beach. Would you pass the salt, please? Great job! Now you understand how to use modal verbs in English. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical English lessons. See you in the next video.